to the 8 and 9 section on the PCA scope, I wanted to say one more thing about HVAC. Guys, especially in the South, but all over the US really, air conditioning is a big deal 3 to 9 months out of the year. I guess some places 12 months out of the year if you're like in Florida or South Texas or somewhere in the deep South. You've really got to get your tonnage and the age of your systems looked at and make sure it's producing properly. A lot of people are going to run checks maybe at the unit or maybe just at the registers, but what we do differently is we're doing all that and we're interviewing the occupants, the users of those spaces. A lot of people just walk buildings. We talk to people as we walk them because we might know something about a building in specific, but the occupants know about it over a long period of time. They might not know technical terms, but they have a lot of data to give you. So we want people to be able to take possession of these buildings and have them used, have them fun and exciting and usable for people to be in. You don't want to buy a trash heap that nobody wants to be around. Check us out at WB Trees Consultants and WBTC3.com. That is why we inspect HVAC.